Well, I got something else to work on today. Yeah, I got a McCulloch 1010 automatic, and it's definitely seen better days. Let me get off of here. You see somebody put some Permatex sealant around the gas tank, which leads me to think that that gasket's bad. And I have a feeling I bought the wrong gasket for it, but that's okay. I'll deal with it in a minute. I guess let's see if this thing has spark. Here we go. Alright. I'm going to be the first to tell you I've never worked on one of these before, so I just want y'all to bear with me, and I'm definitely probably going to screw up at least twice. So, I put that there. And you guys can't, you can kind of see it. That should be good. Alright, so switch is backwards on this. At least to me it's backwards. Alright, let's see if it does anything. Ooh, I gotta roll that recoil up. I didn't see anything, so let me try. Damn, that actually hurt. Oh, it does have spark. Okay. Nice. Oh, I got lucky with this. Alright, stand by. Alright, so I took the recoil off, and string does not look terrible. I've seen way worse, but this thing does not sound all that good. So I'm going to attempt to figure out where to spray this thing with the... Oh. I don't know if I want to take them screws off. I've had a bad experience with that, so I'm just going to spray some lithium grease in here. Just go around a little bit. Not the... Oops. Well, you guys got a little bit of a shower. Alright, let's see something. Sounds quieter. Oh, never mind. I think it'll quieten up a little bit. So, put it back together, and we'll mix the gas, and we'll see if it starts. Kind of hope it does. Okay, well, I got it back together. I don't know if the chain's on right, and honestly, it kind of feels a little loose, but it looks okay to me. Filled the tank up. I don't see any leaks. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I lied. No, I don't see any. It's not leaking, so I don't know why there's Permatex on here, but, or whatever this is. But, I topped the tank up, I filled the tank up with 16:1, because I don't even really know what the ratio is for this. I've seen it anywhere from 20:1 to 16:1 to 32:1. I don't even know if the manual oiler works. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, manual oiler works. Chokes out. This is on, I think. Oh, fingers crossed. Hopefully it starts. Oh, there we go. Yes, come on. Ooh, we're getting there. Okay. See if it'll start back up. And he's choked. Well, shit. Well, it's gonna rain at some point, and well, it might rain, but the sun's coming out. But to sum it up, yes, it does run, and it will run, but I need to fix the recoil. I need to figure out why it won't idle, and I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is an idle adjustment or what it is. It doesn't hold the throttle. So somebody that knows these a little bit better than I do, if you can tell me what this is, that would help out a lot, and I definitely appreciate it. And the oiler, where is it? Here we go. It does work. It's not leaking. I did make sure it's not. Did check that to make sure it's not leaking, and it's not. It's doing what it's supposed to do. The tank isn't leaking, which I'm very surprised. This is a little concerning, though. I don't know why it's there, but it's definitely not leaking out of the tank. I will have to make sure that the bar and the chain oil and the fuel isn't mixing together, but I'll look at that once it warms up a little more and it's actually get a decent day out. But yeah, overall, for my first McCulloch that I've ever owned, this isn't too hateful. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely going to be revisiting this. And I'll show you something else I'm going to be filming too within the next couple weeks. Longboy 8073B with an F engine. And it's a little beat up, but the deck is actually pretty solid. And that, well, I'll show you in the video when I film it. It'll probably be another week or two because I'm waiting for a new tank and I'm waiting for a couple of other things. But anyway, that's enough for now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up, clean up, because I got to work tomorrow. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.